NC State really is one of the top tier engineering institutions in the country. I don't just say that because I'm an alum here. We, as a company, and we as part of the civil engineering industry, have an obligation to make sure we're doing everything we can to support and nurture those students that have an interest in STEM, have an interest in engineering, and hopefully have an interest in working in the civil engineering field, to support them. ECS helps students in a lot of different ways. We offer internships. Every year we hire many students that come work for us over the summer. They can get real-world, hands-on experience doing engineering, out on construction sites, seeing how things go from the design world and get created in the construction world and turn into reality. But in addition to that, we try to be very engaged with those students while they're in the classroom as well. We come and we guest lecture for various classes. So it's imperative that we stay as engaged as we can, to be as supportive as we need to be, to help those students, help the civil engineering department, help those professors in doing their work to be able to produce the engineers of the future that are going to either work for our firm, or if they don't work for our firm, they're going to work in our industry. But we're all going to be making the world a better place through civil engineering.